Now we will log in WordPress admin panel. So you have to put WP admin at the end of the URL. Then add your username and password. Then click on login button. And after logging, it will redirect to the WordPress dashboard. And we need to log in dashboard because we are going to set up a basic setup before started website design. You can see this is the WordPress dashboard, and there are a lot of stuff. Left side you will see a menu for post, media, pages, plugins, appearance, tools, and settings. And you can control your WordPress website from this dashboard. And this is the admin access. So you should have admin access to uh, set up these things. I'm going to click on settings, then click on permalink. We have to select post name because it's user friendly. Then click on save changes. And then we are going to install a plugin. Before starting a website, we have to set up this website for maintenance. So we will search this maintenance plugin and install it. And if you install this plugin and activate, the website will not showing to the others user. You are logging, and that's why you are seeing see that the website interface. Otherwise, if someone check the website, they will say the website is under maintenance, and that is very important because you don't need to show incomplete website design to the users. So let's log into the WordPress admin panel again. You have to log in again. So put your username and password. Now it's time to set up search engine visibility disable because until we are complete the design, it should not index by Google. So you have to select this option because it will not index by Google. When the website is completed, you can uncheck this and then click on save changes. So we are going to check this until the website is completed, then click on save changes. So let's back to the plugins again. We are going to uninstall unnecessary plugins. So we will keep maintenance plugin and then we will deactivate the others plugin and completely delete those plugins. So we already deactivated those plugins and then select and then delete the other plugins. Just will keep the maintenance plugins. Now you will see that there is a simple page that we don't need. Also, you have to delete it completely, otherwise Google may index this page, and that is not necessary for us. Also, we will go to the post, and there is a demo blog post name is Hey Hello World. We will completely delete this post, otherwise it can be indexed by Google. That is not completely necessary. Now, uh, I will see the website how it looks. So let's see how it looks the website now. This is very simple and nothing is there. It's time to set up the website name and tagline. So go to settings and general, add your website title. So I'm going to add the website title, just a demo title here for digital agency, and I will add a tagline for this website. It will show into the browser tab. So it's important to add your website title and tagline. I already add the title and here is the tagline. Click on save changes. Now go to the appearance, then click on say themes, and we will add a free theme to set up this design. So please click on add new, then search. You will get a search box. Search hello, and then you can see there is a theme, free theme. This one you have to install this one template because it's Elementor page builder friendly. So click on Elementor, hello Elementor theme and install it. Then have to activate this theme, and following this way you can install a free theme to your WordPress website for Elementor page builder.